In this short episode of the podcast, I'm going to take a look at casual trading in Ireland. What is the position in relation to casual trading, getting a licence and so forth? Hey, it's Terry Gorry, and this is the Irish Law and Small Business Podcast. A chap asked me there on the YouTube channel to cover casual trading at some stage, so this is it. I was interested myself actually to see what the position was in relation to casual trading. Casual trading in Ireland means selling goods on the public road or at a place where the public has access as of right, and any other place that's a designated casual trading area. So the key piece of legislation is the Casual Trading Act of 1995, and it passes a lot of the power and the law in this whole area to the local authorities, the local councils. Each city or city council or county council, they regulate their own geographic area. So the whole question of casual trading licences are regulated by bylaws brought in by each county council and each city council. The procedures for obtaining a casual trading licence would include, and bear in mind that the application process will vary from local authority to local authority, so you must check your local authority requirements, but generally you're looking at evidence of public liability insurance, tax clearance, access number, passport photographs of licence holder, a copy of the HSE food registration if you're selling food, a waste management plan. The legislation, before I go on to legislation, Dublin City Council has a casual trading section, obviously for Dublin City Council, but each council, each county council, each city council has their own remit, as it were, their writ runs pursuant to the Casual Trading Act of 1995. That Casual Trading Act then deals with casual trading, the restriction on casual trading licences, display of casual trading licences, bylaws, the acquisition and extinguishment of market rights, the powers of local authorities in relation to market rights, the prohibition of false information and alteration of licences, powers of authorised officers in Garda Síochána, further powers of Garda Síochána, disposal of goods seized by Garda Síochána, registers of licences, penalties, the making of regulations and so on. It's a criminal offence, I believe, to trade without a casual trading licence. The penalties, though, from what I've seen in the Act, are fairly small, fairly low, certainly on a first offence. Perhaps obviously on a second and third offence that's a different situation, and obviously if you're a repeat offender, well then you're looking at much more significant, much more serious penalties. So on summary conviction, in the first instance, in the case of a first offence, to a fine not exceeding £50. Now I presume that's been amended and probably updated, but that's what's in the legislation there in the 2015 Act, I think. Then there's a case of a second offence, a fine not exceeding £250, and in the case of a third or subsequent offence, to a fine not exceeding £1,000. But then you can be convicted on indictment, that is, not in the district court but in the circuit court or high court. Circuit court probably, then you're looking at a fine not exceeding 10 grand, and ultimately you could actually be jailed if you were a repeat offender. So obviously that's the situation. It's the Casual Trading Act of 1995, Casual Trading Act 1995. The bottom line is each local authority, each county council, each city council makes regulations and regulates the casual trading in their area. So if you are into casual trading, you want to do some casual trading and you want to stay on the right side of the law, then get onto your local authority, ask them what are the requirements in order to apply for a casual trading licence, take it from there, and good luck with it. Thanks a lot for listening, and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss an episode.